So I'm Pranay and we are Spotter. So basically we are into image media analytics. So we do image analytics for social media. Just a quick question for you guys. How many images do you think are shared in social media in a day? Take a wild guess.
Millions.
2 billion.
Million? How many?
10 million.
10 million. Okay.
1 billion.
So I hear 1 billion, 10 million. So it's actually 1.8 billion photos are shared in social media in a day. And all of our current social media analytics and all sort of analytics which is done now is based on text and tags. We are losing all the information about what's the image which is shared by the user. So what we are trying to do is actually get a look into the image which is shared by the users and derive some analytics from there. So as of now we are working on brands. So figuring out which brands are shared in social media by people in Instagram, by people in Twitter, and find out which brands are there and derive some information for that. So I'll just so we had a live demo, but it's not working here. So I'll just go through a quick screenshot. So here you can see some of the photos which were tweeted, sent on Instagram by people. It has been tweeted with Starbucks tags, and we can actually find, so by our image recognition algo, we can actually find out what area is there where the brand is present. So you can see here the brand is present, here the brand is present. So we don't actually need to look into the tags or the text which is there, and just straight dive look into the media and find out which brands are there. Next. Okay, so it's another example for Coca-Cola. So we can do, so as of now we are looking into logos of different brands and finding out which brands are actually there, irrespective of the tags or the text which is there. So how this helps you? This helps you because as of now not many people are there who actually tag their images which they share through with a text. They just share the image and go figure out. So as of now, the brands are not looking into the image and figuring out, okay, this was a Coca-Cola which was shared. So what we are enabling the marketeers, the digital media agencies, is to actually get an insight into the image through the image itself. Next slide. And it also helps you remove a lot of noise which is there shared in the state. So as you can see in this image, this was shared with a tag of Coca-Cola, but there's some irrelevant images which are also shared. Some guy which is randomly there. And if you click there, just go to the next slide. Yeah, next. So all these images were tagged with Coca-Cola. You can't actually find Coca-Cola, but it has the Coca-Cola tag. And all the social media analytics which will be done now will consider this as an impression. But actually there's no Coca-Cola. So if we use Spotter, our technology, we can actually figure out there's no Coca-Cola in it and we can disregard it. So that's a more crispy and more concrete feedback which will be here. I think I'll just shift to the other one. Yeah. Okay, so we have two guys here, me and Ankit is there. So I look into the product and say marketing part, and I have 2 years of work as a developer and 1 year in marketing. I have done my graduation from IIT Madras and then I went to do my MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. Ankit has done his graduation from IIT and is just fresh out of college. For Spotter, here we are looking for individuals with some ideas on product design and UI and web development, and more ideas, any ideas on how we can sell it and how we can apply it to different platforms. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks. Good. Thank you guys.